Hello you guys, we're back and trying to recreate this eye look again, but instead of using glitter like a crazy person, we're gonna try to do our best to use powder. And hopefully it'll come out looking a lot better than it did when we just did glitter. I don't know, I was just like, let's do something fun, a little bit different and creative. Didn't turn out the best, but that's okay. We're here to experiment. Now, we're gonna try to do this again. We're using the Freshly Cut Flower Child palette. You guys have probably seen this before if you watch my shorts. It is so gorgeous, look at this palette. Oh, tell me this is not a spring Easter palette. So gorgeous, the pastels, I love. Also, I do want to say though, before we get into this, thank you everybody that did join the live stream, even though it was like a max of 30 people in there. I do appreciate you guys for stopping by while I build my beehive. It was the first one and I was so nervous, but I might do some more. It wasn't as bad as I was expecting and we only had one hater in there, Dylan. That's all right. Let's get to it. As always, we're starting with our tried and true Moira Glitter Primer. It is like super glue for eyeshadow. And while I do this, a disclaimer for anybody new here, always have to do this, you know, until people really start knowing me. I am no beauty guru. I am not a makeup pro. Do not come here looking for inspiration because I need the inspiration. We're just here to have fun, test things out, see what things look like, and play with color, okay? I am not a professional. If I do something wrong, don't correct me. We have no rules over here. We have no rules when it comes to makeup. We do, we play, and we have fun. Okay, so we're primed, we're sticky. Now, in that picture, she does start off, obviously, it is a cut crease. So we're gonna have to grab a pink, and I'm thinking we're gonna go with the light pink right here, Water Lily. And we're gonna take her, right. Ooh, gorge. Hold on, wait, let me look at this picture real quick before I start messing up. All right, that's on the inner, okay. So we'll just do a little bit of this. Now, again, I'm a man, right? So my forehead and my brow bone protrudes a lot more than her, and I do also have semi-hooded eyes. So we're gonna do this the best that I can and probably put the crease up a little bit more so we can see it. Because we found out last time when we did just glitter, my hooded eyes kind of covered everything. We had to make it go up some. So we're gonna bring this down a little bit, buff it over here, and then she starts blending into the purple right about there, maybe a little bit past that. Right. Okay. See what I'm talking? You can still see it. We did a little bit better. We'll go there, and if we have to do more, we'll do more. Now, to create the wing, we're going to go in with this purple shade right here called Blackberry, and we're going to flip our brush around. We are using the same brush. Sure am. Okay. Let's see. Is this even going to be like the right purple? It almost looks like the pink, honestly. Oh no, is there a darker purple? I'm afraid not. Yikes. So a lot happened. I felt like I needed to bring it up to the brow bone and make it a little bit more extravagant just so we can see because my eyes are so low. You know, I am a man, so it's harder to see it. Also, the wing, we're just gonna go with the flow, okay? We're doing our own inspiration of the inspiration. Yes! So for the cut crease, I mean, we really don't need to cut too much, but I just want to kind of like straighten out the line and then make a little spot over here in the wing for that blue shade. So we're going to be going in with the Made by Mitchell color case. Yes! This right here is amazing. Whether it's concealer, really whatever you need, there's a color for everything. So I love this palette. So we're going to go in here. It does come with this brush too, so it has like a little spatula and like an actual brush on it or whatever. I'm just warming it up on the back of my hand. And then, actually, let me get it on the tip too. We're gonna try to just make everything even, you know, the best that I can. I'll probably end up ruining it, but we'll see. I swear, cutting crease is like cutting hair. You keep going, you're like, oh, just a little bit more, just gotta keep going, right? And then just, you keep going higher and higher and higher. My goal, though, is because we've already gone up to the brow, we could have that, I mean, the colors are so similar. I mean, you can obviously see the difference in the color. Okay, I'm not colorblind, but they're very similar, and so far away, it just all looks like very dark. So I'm trying to get just like that line of color under the brow, and then we'll have more of that, like, you know, the rainbow effect going on. But I don't want to take it all away, and I keep going higher and higher, and it's not matching. Oh my God, this is why you guys don't have to worry about me ever becoming a beauty guru and taking your job. I think I need to go just a little bit higher over here. I'm so scared. This is what I'm gonna end up with, okay? Because if I go any further, we're gonna have no crease to work with. So I'm thinking this is a decent little base for it. Is it premium? Is it top notch? No. We're here to have fun. Make it look good as we can, right? I think it's actually not half bad. I'd go out like this, honestly. What a look. Now, starting from the outside and working our way in, we do not have a deep blue like she does where it's on like starting on the outside of the wing. So we're just going to be using this palette though. I just want to try all the colors in this palette. So we're going to do this one right here for that deep dark blue. It's called Lavender, even though it's blue. Right. Okay. Let's see. We're going to just dab it on that concealer. What is this looking like? Oh, okay. Popped up more than I was expecting it to. I likey. For the next blue next to that, I'm thinking we go this one right here, this like cyan blue. It's called Gentian. I don't know what Gentian is. I don't know what half of these words are even supposed to mean, but let's see. Okay. Oh, wait, I didn't put primer on the bare eyelid. Oh, we only got the concealer at the top. Uh-oh. This might not be good. I think I may have gone a little bit too far over with the blue, but I did put primer on, so the other colors should be okay. Now we're gonna go in with green, which is right here. It's called Greenhouse. And, oh, look at her. Okay, my favorite color. Let's see what this one's gonna do. Oh, yeah, baby. Okay, this is the green. Now for yellow, it's called Sunflower. Okay, so let's go in with yellow. Mustard. All right, and we're gonna do a little bit because we gotta save room for the pink on the inner corner. I did so much of that daggone blue, but ooh, look at this. It's looking like a rainbow, you guys. It does look like Easter. A lot better than the glitter. Is it perfect? No, but it does look a lot better, that's for sure. Okay, so that's the yellow. Oh, period. I don't know. I'm vibing with it. I wish these blues were just, I wish we had a darker blue in this palette, but it's okay. Now for pink, let me double check what pink she has. She's got like a salmon pink. I mean, we could go like baby pink, but I doubt we would even see that. Let's try it. It's called Sakura. Okay, let's see. Are we gonna see it? Oh, a little bit. Yes, baby pink, come through. Yes, wait, hold on, come through. We might just need a little bit more. A little bit more. Come on. Come on. Come on. And no, I don't tap my brush, by the way, either. I feel like it's such a waste of product. It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. There we go. A little bit. I don't know. What do you think? I went ahead and deepened the pink a little bit with the shade that I ended up putting right there. It's called Carnation. Yes. Should have did that one instead, but it still looks okay. I don't know. Can we clean it up? This is what the final look should probably be, right? But I'm gonna see if there's any way that I can clean it up to make it look a little bit more presentable. If my brow bones didn't stick out so far and my eyes weren't so hooded, I think this would have turned out a lot better having a skinnier outline like she does in the actual inspiration photo, which I'll put her at right here again, just in case I forgot to do it in the beginning of the video because I forgot to shout her out. But Makeup by Alex or Makeup with Alex, hold on, let me double check myself real quick. It's Makeup something Alex, Makeup with Alex, Makeup with Alex, yes. But either way, I think this looks a lot better. Obviously, if we were to use some stuff, right? What is it called? Concealer. And like actually get the crease perfect. But the thinner line looks a lot better than that more extravagant. The wing, I was trying to clean it up and it came out like this. So I was like, oh, it looks a little nice. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. The thinner line or what we had before. Yes. Either way, I know both of them are not perfect. Okay. You don't have to tell me that, but I think it came out a lot better than the glitter. Either way, I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.